Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you guys that what is in my everyday pouch. So I won't exactly call it a makeup pouch because it has everything almost. So I will actually call it my everyday pouch. It consists of my makeup, skincare or any other essential that I carry with myself everywhere I go. This is the pouch that I open. So let me first show you how the pouch looks. So this is the pouch. This pouch I think no, the brand isn't mentioned. So this pouch, I have no idea which brand it actually belongs to, but I've been using this since a very long time. It is the perfect size. So yeah, so coming back to the point. So this pouch consists of my makeup essentials, skincare essentials or any other essentials. This is the first thing that I open in the morning when I have to get ready, or even if I'm generally at home. And this is one pouch, I just pick it up exactly how it is and put it in my bag. If I'm going for to my friend's house, or I'm going for a sleepover or any other place, even if I'm going to the mall or any other restaurant, this pouch will be in my car. So without further ado, I'll just start showing you guys what's in my pouch and what do I use it for. So एक्चुअली जितना ये बड़ा है उससे कहीं ज़्यादा चीज़ें इसके अंदर है. So anyways, so the first thing is, actually I usually have my foundation and concealer both, but when I'm on a run I usually use a concealer. So the first thing is this LA Girl Pro Concealer. So I mostly am not a makeup person. I generally like putting sunscreen on my face and going, and still even if I have to go out and get ready a bit, so I just like to use this concealer under my eyes and I'm good to go. The second thing is this beauty blender. This beauty blender I got from Real Techniques. This is one thing that I've been using since February, and actually I've overused it, so it's time to actually change it. But it's an amazing beauty blender. What I really like about is this sharp edge, which helps me cover a greater area, and of course the pointed area is good for under eye and the other areas. But yeah, this is one beauty blender that I really like. I've been actually screwing it since February, and I really need to get another one. The next thing is, this is my recent favorite, and I just posted my favorites, November favorites video on Instagram also, so you can check it on my Instagram handle @samaravik. I'm going to mention it below also. So this is my aloe vera gel, the new gel that I've been using. It's from Ross Care. I really like it. I love to use it as a moisturizer, as a primer, or generally just apply it on my skin after washing my face, and it's really good. It's really nice. So another thing is, okay, so this is another this is another brush. This is a buffer brush from Real Techniques. I've been again using it since a very long time. I got it in February itself along with the blender. Actually I got the entire kit of 5-6 brushes, but 2-3 out of them, which I'm going to show you, are one of my favorites. So again, this is a buffing brush, good for applying foundation, or it is very good for blending at the same time. I usually use my beauty blender and this brush together to blend things, and it's amazing. It's really good. The next thing is this wooden toothbrush. I like to keep a toothbrush in my pouch because this, I told you again, this is one pouch that goes with me everywhere, whether I'm going to a friend's place for a night stay, to a party or anywhere. So you never know when you need to actually brush your teeth, huh? So this is one thing that stays with me all the time. Sometimes in emergency cases also, that like you're going somewhere, you forget to carry your brush. So I keep an extra in my pouch. Another thing is this brush. Actually this is I use it to apply any eyeshadow. So again, I do not apply eyeshadow as such. I hardly have 2-3 palettes of my own also, but still sometimes again, this is for emergency needs, that I'm out somewhere, or maybe I'm applying makeup at the last moment, or I'm going for a party, or instant plans ke liye I need an eye makeup brush in my pouch ke by chance I need it. So I don't use it much, but still I do keep it in my pouch. Next thing is this gel. So basically this is my dermatologist suggested gel, Retino AC gel. This I use on my pimples. If I get, suppose like this, I got a pimple over here, so what I'll just do is I'll apply it overnight, and by the next day the pimple will be 90% gone. So I've been using this since the time I got acne. It is again my dermatologically recommended gel. It is Retino AC gel. I'm still gonna put everything in the description box, so don't worry. The next thing is this. Again, it's a blush brush from Real Technique. It's an amazing blush brush. Again, I got it from in the whole set. I like to keep it in my pouch because I'm a person, I like to apply blush. So yeah, this is one brush I need when I'm applying blush. The next thing is okay, So this is their travel pack. Kama Ayurveda Suvarna Haldi Chandan Brightening Face Mask. So I've almost finished it. Again, so basically this is not my go-to mask. Actually, I don't have a go-to mask. I usually get my hands on different types of masks, and honestly, if you guys know some amazing masks or face packs, please do suggest me, whether it's a home DIY or from any other brand. I would love to get my hands on those, because again, I tried it 2-3 times. I liked it, but I'm just gonna put it out from my bag again, because theek hai, matlab acha tha, it was nice, but did not really fascinate me much, so I'm not gonna further use it. So yes, still matlab, I remember I had put this in my bag when I was going to Mussoorie, because I needed a face pack for any emergency use, or just want to relax my face, so I should have something to apply on my face. So the next thing is this niacinamide plus zinc serum from Ordinary. Again, I'm in love with this serum. I have bragged about my Instagram, IGTV also recently, where I posted about my November favorites. I got my hands on this serum almost 2 months back, and it's almost finished. Like, it's almost less than half, and I'm in love with this. If you want to know details about the serum, do check my Instagram video on November favorites. The next thing in my pouch is this body mist from Forest Essentials in honey and vanilla. I'm in love with this mist. I've been constantly using it since I got it a month back only. Actually, I did a huge purchase from Forest Essentials, so I got it as a travel size in their free samples. But I'm in love with this mist, and I'm gonna get my hands on the full size very soon. Just love it. The next favorite is, this is one thing that I've been using since a very long time, is this Benny tint from the brand Benefit. It's a cheek and lip tint, and it's my absolute favorite. I have two moods. Either I use a blush on, I use my typical favorite NYX palette, a blush on, or I use this Benny tint. It is very good. It can be used on the lips, cheeks, nose, everywhere, and it gives you the perfect blush coverage, and it's just amazing. And again, for oily acne prone skin, I would really suggest this, because again, it's liquid based. You just dab it on and it settles down, and has never gives me any form of breakout. So I just love this. The next is my absolute favorite. I've been using this since 5 to 6 years. Is the Sebamed lip balm. Basically, it's a lip defense for dry and chapped lips. Intensive care with jojoba oil, vitamin E, protects against free radicals, and more details are given. I just love this lip balm. I've been using it since years, and I've tried and tested many lip balms, but this is the best. It's actually the best. When I was under my medication, I used to have very, very dry skin. My lips were very, very dry, but this used to just do the magic. So the next thing is, this is one of, I won't say it's my favorite, but another it's another lip stain, cream lip stain that I really use. It's from Victoria's Secrets. It's their Velvet Matte Edition, and it's in the shade Adored. It is not exactly a nude color. It is, but I'll just show you how it is. It's almost finished. So it's something like this. And oh yeah, actually I really like this shade. I got confused between one and yeah. So this is another pinkish nude shade that I like to use a lot. And yeah, actually I got confused between two shades. So yeah, this is one of the shades that I use a lot, and I do keep it in my pouch, because again, I'm a fan of brownish pink nudes, and they're just my favorite. Next thing is this Vaseline lip care healthy and white lip balm. It protects from UV and lip darkening, 24 hours, moisturized lips. So again, it's not my favorite. I showed you what my favorite is, but this is another good lip balm. Actually, the reason why I'm carrying this is my Sebamed is almost finished. So for emergency cases, I like to keep 2-3 lip balms in my pouch, so I am never short of them. Next thing is this Majestic cleansing brush. It is a two-sided brush. Again, I mentioned this in detail on my Instagram IGTV in my November favorites. One side is for cleansing, one is for scrubbing, and it gives you deep exfoliation. I use it once or twice in a week when I have makeup on my face. The next thing is this Avene Cleanse Matte Gel. It's a gel based moisturizer. Again, it's really good for acne prone skin. I would not say it does any form of magic. It is not any different from any other gel moisturizer. It's about to get finished and I will not buy a second bottle because honestly I used to use Cetaphil moisturizer before this and there's honestly no difference. It's just much more expensive and fancier. So I mean but still this is the moisturizer I'm recently using, so it is in my pouch. Next thing is, yes, okay, so it's another lip balm. It's actually a Coca-Cola lip balm that my dad got from I think London or US. It's a cherry flavored lip balm. It gives me a good tint. So see, I don't know the exact, it's from Coca-Cola, so I don't know from where did he get exactly, bahar se kahan se. But yeah, if you are somebody who likes your lips to be in a pinkish reddish tone, cherry tone, so you can go on Nykaa. You might find it there, or maybe some international website, or maybe you're traveling abroad, or you can get your hands on any cherry lip balm. The next thing is this facial scrub hand pounded organic fruit from Forest Essentials. Actually, I haven't used it ever. I don't know what is it doing in my pouch. Oh my god, it has dried out also. I have no idea what's it doing in my pouch. Actually, I think I wanted to try out a scrub because I got my hands on this double cleansing brush, so I kept it, but I haven't used it ever. I think I'm gonna try it, or I don't know, it has dried out. I think it's actually organic fruit, so it's a dried scrub. You need to mix water with it and then rub it on your nose. I'm gonna try it. I just kept it to try it out only because this is one pouch I use every day, but try nahi kiya. And the last thing in my pouch has to be my favorite lipstick. It's a lipstick from NYX Professional Makeup in the shade Suede. I apply it almost every second day since the time I got my hands on it. It's my favorite color. It is the perfect brown and pinkish nude. I'm just gonna show you guys. I have it on my lips, but still I'm just gonna show you how. It's this one. It's the perfect nude. It's the best lipstick I've ever used. I use it almost every day. It's almost finished also. I've been using constantly since the time I got it, and I'm definitely gonna get another one in this. It's my favorite lipstick. So guys, I think I've showed you everything. Yes, everything. And yeah, I mean, I've showed you almost everything. Yeah, I've showed you actually everything. So guys, that's it. Actually, I told you guys, itna bada ye pouch lagta nahi jitna zyada saman it carries actually. And I hope you liked this video. You have any questions, do comment on the comment box, or you can even DM me on Instagram. And I hope you guys like the video, and I hope to see you soon. Bye bye, and thank you for watching.